Asus gaming laptop G512L model. This one you can see here, internal build quality, processor, graphic card, 2 memory slot and 2 fan, thermal paste in this. This one M.2 NVMe slot. And they have given 2 extra slots also. So total 3 M.2 NVMe 2280 size. 2 memory slots and battery. These are the internal parts of the Republic of Gaming G512 model. And you can see the speaker here, 2 speakers and downside, and 2 fan. So we just put the thermal paste over here. Heatsink. Yeah, we are fixing the heatsink on processor and graphic card. So we use copper plated heatsink on this gaming laptop. You can see this memory is DDR4 3200 speed, this memory.